Steel rusts, concrete cracks, but humanity's oldest engineered material is still its most remarkable. It is a hollow gross that has the tensile strength of steel, at a fraction of the weight. This is a masterclass in its application. Welcome to the world of bamboo engineering. Our story begins with the end of a life cycle. The old thatch of a roof has served its purpose. In this sustainable model, old material is not discarded as waste, it is returned to the earth. With the old cleared away, the new work can begin. The primary material is brought to the worksite. Every project here starts but sourcing directly from the surrounding environment. This is not just carrying a pole, it is understanding the raw material before it is transformed. A moment of planning, every cut and every joint is visualized before the first tool is ever picked up. The processing begins. The hand saw is a simple tool, but in these hands, it is an instrument of precision. Cut to a specific length, destined for a unique place in the final structure. The work is methodical, patient, and focused. There is no room for error. The tape measure ensures that the ancient techniques are guided by modern accuracy. The prepared components are organized, a critical step in maintaining an efficient workflow. Now, the true artistry begins. She is not just carving a hole, she is creating a mortise. This precisely shaped socket will accept the tenon from another bamboo piece, forming a load-bearing joint. This is the secret to bamboo structural integrity, creating connections that are as strong as the material itself. The skill required to carve these joints by hand is immense and exceptionally rare in the modern world. Each chip of bamboo removed is a deliberate step toward a perfect, interlocking fit. The finished joint is a testament to her mastery, a perfect fusion of form and function. With the components prepared, a new project takes shape. The bamboo poles are laid out, forming the foundational grid of a new structure. Every measurement is double-checked. In structural work, precision is synonymous with safety. The scale of the project becomes apparent. This will be a significant new addition to the farm. The landscape itself is the blueprint, dictating the size and orientation of the new build. The process of measuring and marking is painstaking but essential. Now, the joinery continues. She is carving a saddle joint, designed to allow one round pole to rest securely on another. Using a chisel and hammer, she carefully removes material to create the perfect concave shape. This technique maximizes the contact area between the two poles, ensuring a stable connection. The interlocking pieces will form a frame that can flex under load without breaking. The rhythm of the work is hypnotic, a dance of force and finesse. She works with an intuitive understanding of the material's limits and strengths. Each joint is a small piece of structural genius. With the components ready, she transports them to the build site. The assembly begins, putting the carefully crafted puzzle pieces together. The frame is taking shape, a testament to the preparation that has gone into it. The joints fit together with satisfying precision. This is the moment when individual pieces become a coherent structure. The beauty of the finished frame lies in its honest construction and elegant simplicity. It is a structure that is both strong and profoundly beautiful. Now, the assembly of a new structure, a bamboo bridge. The first mortise and tenon joint is connected. The tenon slides snugly into the mortise, creating a rigid corner. The work continues, preparing more bamboo for the bridge's main structure. The bridge begins to take shape, spanning the small waterway. This is vernacular civil engineering, solving real-world problems with local materials and traditional knowledge. She must now drive the foundational posts deep into the stream bed to create stable piers for the bridge. Working in water adds a significant layer of difficulty to the construction process. The main support beams of the bridge are maneuvered into place. Each piece must be perfectly seated on the foundation posts. The work requires immense strength, balance, and concentration. Lifting the main girder into position is a critical and dangerous step. It must be placed perfectly to ensure the bridge's structural integrity. Her technique is fearless and precise. The main frame of the bridge is now complete, a sturdy skeleton awaiting its deck. Now for the most laborious part, creating the bridge decking. Bamboo is split into thin, flexible laths. This transforms the rigid poles into a material that can be woven. The decking is assembled, lashing the laths to the main support beams. The finished bridge is a masterpiece of bamboo craftsmanship. It is both a functional crossing and a beautiful sculpture. A structure that is perfectly at home in its natural surroundings. Now, another challenge, building a structure directly over the water. The first step is creating a stable frame. Lashing is the primary technique here. The joints are wrapped tightly with cordage. This creates a connection that tightens under load and allows for a degree of flexibility. She continues her work on the overwater platform, preparing more bamboo components. The mortise and tenon technique is used again for the main structural connections. The use of a handsaw for this precision work showcases her incredible skill and control. A moment of rest, the physical toll of this work is immense. That the work continues, she now prepares the material for the platform's decking. Again, bamboo is split into dozens of smaller, uniform pieces. This is an incredibly time-consuming process that requires immense patience. A special tool is used to split the bamboo cleanly into multiple laths at once, a brilliant innovation. The result is a large supply of uniform decking material. The laths are organized, ready for installation. A mat of laths is created, which will form a strong and durable surface. The main structural beams for the platform are moved into position. The prepared decking is laid across the structural frame. Each section is lashed securely to the frame below, creating a solid, unified floor. The completed platform is a testament to her meticulous work. The structure is solid, beautiful, and perfectly integrated with the river. From builder to provider, the platform is not just a structure, it's a tool. The platform provides a stable, dry base from which to conduct the daily activities of the farm. Here, it is being used as a fishing platform. The wire lashing used to bind the frame is a modern adaptation, chosen for its durability in wet conditions. The platform proves its worth, strong enough to support her and the heavy, waterlogged net. A moment of satisfaction as the structure performs its function flawlessly. Now, she demonstrates her skill as a fisherman. The large casting net is a difficult tool to master. She works the net from her stable, handcrafted platform. This is a perfect example of how each project on the farm supports the others. Her connection to the river is deep and practical. Patience is key, both in building and in fishing. She waits for the right moment, reading the water. The haul, the reward for her hard work and patience. to journey back across the bridge she built herself. This is a complete, self-sufficient ecosystem in action. Every structure has a purpose, every action has a meaning. This is the rhythm of life on the farm. A moment of peace, earned through skill and hard labor. The entire homestead is a testament to her vision and capability. A life built by hand, in harmony with nature. The next project, adding a roof to the over-water structure. The bamboo frame is assembled using the same lashing technique seen earlier. The triangular shape of the roof trusses provides excellent rigidity. The lashing detail shows how the cordage is wrapped multiple times to create a friction-based joint of immense strength. The completed frame is a complex of interlocking bamboo. She navigates the structure with an acrobat's bounce. The work is precise and focused, even in this precarious position. Every joint is checked and tightened, ensuring the frame is secure. The structure requires both vertical posts and horizontal beams, all lashed together. Working at height requires not just skill, but a complete lack of fear. The final details of the frame are completed. Now, a modern material is introduced, corrugated metal roofing, a practical choice for durability. The sheet is secured to the bamboo purlins using self-tapping screws, a fast and effective method. The installation is methodical, ensuring each sheet overlaps correctly to prevent leaks. This hybrid of traditional framing and modern roofing is a common practice in contemporary vernacular architecture. It combines the sustainability of bamboo with the longevity of metal. The completed roof provides a durable, waterproof shelter. The final panel is maneuvered into place. A final cleaning ensures any metal filings from the screws are removed to prevent future rust spots. The finished structure, a beautiful and functional shelter poised over the water. The work now shifts to aesthetics. The roof is being painted a vibrant green. The ridge cap, the most critical part of the roof for waterproofing, is installed. The painting continues, protecting the metal from corrosion and adding a splash of color. The entire structure is a testament to her multidisciplinary skills. The shelter is now a place of rest and leisure. But the work of improving the farm never ends. She returns to crafting with bamboo. The process of measuring, marking, and cutting is second nature to her. Each piece is prepared with the same level of precision, regardless of the project. The bamboo decking is now being installed on the main structure. The floor is laid piece by piece, creating a beautiful and durable surface. The attention to detail in the flooring is just as high as in the structural frame. The result is a seamless, handcrafted floor. The structure is constantly evolving, with new layers of detail being added. The finished floor makes the space feel more like a room, a true outdoor living area. Every piece of bamboo is secured to the subframe. The final pieces of the floor are fitted. It is a space built for purpose, but also for beauty. The final lashings secure the floorboards. The completed floor is strong, flexible, and perfectly suited for its environment. A simple wooden dowel is used to pin a joint, a classic and effective technique. This is another look at the fundamental skills of bamboo construction. A moment of peace in the space she has created. The work continues with the assembly of the railings. The railings provide safety, but also complete the aesthetic of the structure. The structure is no longer just a platform, it is an architectural space. The finished shelter, with its painted roof and completed railings, is a stunning piece of work. Tower tools are used for efficiency, but the core techniques remain traditional. The railings are assembled with the same care as the main frame. The final components are cut to size with a power saw. The repetition demonstrates the sheer amount of work that goes into even a simple structure. Every piece is a testament to her dedication. The railings are secured with wire lashing for durability. The finished structure, complete with its intricate railings. The attention to detail is what elevates this from a simple shelter to a work of art. The symmetry and pattern of the railings are beautiful. Every connection is carefully considered and executed. This is the patient work of a true craftsperson. The finished space is a perfect retreat, a testament to the power of natural building. It is a place of peace and beauty, created by hand. Ducks enjoy the shade of the structure. The entire farm is an ecosystem where the built and natural worlds coexist in harmony. The work continues on the shelter's roof frame. A chisel and mallet are used to perfect a joint. The completed shelter, a beautiful and functional space. The process of measuring and cutting is the foundation of all carpentry. The hand saw allows for a level of control that power tools cannot always match. The components for the railings are prepared. A power saw speeds up the repetitive cuts. The railing infill is installed, a beautiful decorative and safety feature. The completed railing is a complex and beautiful piece of work. The shelter is complete, ready to be enjoyed. A final cleanup leaves the site pristine. The work now turns to the nearby bridge. The bridge decking is reinforced and perfected. She walks across her handiwork, a bridge connecting to parts of her world. The surface is prepared for the final decking planks. These solid wood planks will provide a more durable walking surface. The finished bridge is a robust piece of infrastructure for the farm. A final moment of reflection on a project completed. The finished bridge and shelter, triumphs of natural engineering. The process of repair and improvement is constant. Here, the bridge deck is being upgraded with milled lumber. Each new plank is carefully fitted. The hand saw is once again the tool of choice for precision cuts. The work is a blend of raw nature and processed materials. The railing design is intricate, providing both safety and beauty. Each connection is carefully considered and secured. The bridge is not just a path, it is a destination in itself. The details of the railing show an artist's touch. A moment of rest, enjoying the fruits of her labor. The finished bridge, a beautiful piece of functional art. The bridge connects not just to banks of a river, but the builder to her environment. Now for the final touch, a coat of paint to protect the wood and add vibrant color. The yellow paint transforms the railing, making it a cheerful landmark. Each stroke is applied with care, ensuring an even and durable coat. The decking receives a coat of protective finish. The bridge is now protected from the elements. The structural posts are painted a bold red, contrasting with the yellow railings. This use of color is a joyful expression of creativity. The finished bridge is a vibrant, beautiful structure that enhances the entire landscape. The final step in any project is finishing. Here, the overwater shelter is painted. The posts are painted red, tying the different structures together aesthetically. The paint protects the bamboo from UV degradation and moisture. A small boat, a vital tool for life on the water. The builder returns to her creation, this time for leisure. The painted structure stands as a cheerful beacon on the water. The farm is a world unto itself, built with skill, vision, and a deep respect for nature. Now, for the final touch, bringing light to the space. Decorative string lights are hung, transforming the shelter into a magical evening retreat. This transforms the functional structure into a place for community and celebration. At night, the structure glows with warmth and welcome. A perfect end to a monumental project.